Hi Taurians, welcome back, and this is your monthly reading for the month of July 2020. And if you're visiting my channel for the first time, may I request you to please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon if you like receiving such videos. And remember that this is a general reading, so take from it what you can and allow other things to pass. And the roles can be reversed and timing is fluid. So moving on, and let's see what's coming up for your month of July. Please show me clearly, Spirit. Please show me clearly. I have an Eight of Swords. Okay. There's a King of Swords. There's a Two of Pentacles. There's a King of Cups. There's a Two of Wands. And there is a Ten of Cups. So, alright, Taurians, just give me a moment. Okay. Taurans, somewhere I feel that you have been feeling quite tied and bound in the last few weeks, or maybe this is going to come up very strongly in the month of July, where you were so strongly moving on your way towards a better future, towards new lines of thought and action. But somewhere I feel that your past or some memories arising from the past are unable to allow you to move forward, and this could be taking a toll on your mental health and your emotional health as well. I also feel that you actually trying to, you are the obstacle in your own path right now. And don't mind me saying this, but I feel the card is very clearly showing me that there are chances and there are ways ahead of you where you can move forward. And but it's got to be a leap of faith, what I feel. But somewhere, we all are so comfortable in the comfort zone which we are used to living in, that we don't want to see anything beyond that. And but let me tell you that where you are right now may not be the most comfortable spot in your life, or where you'd like to stay for a long time. So Taurans, I also have a King of Cups here along with a Page of Pentacles, and that tells me that you may have to take your chances because there isn't much to fall back upon. Emotions have been quiet and guided and unruly in the past, and there aren't many things you can talk about or maybe fondly think about. But I also feel that you are somewhere trying to work upon yourself and trying to get a grip on your emotions, yet things seem a little distant, or maybe good results seem a little distant for you. That's what you think. I also feel that you could be acting a little stubborn here, Taurians, and with the King of Swords coming here, it's telling me that you somewhere want just this past or this person or the situation to just come back and work for you. Whereas this may not be how things are planned in your upcoming times. And I'm also seeing that you are meant to, just trust someone or a situation, and it's not got to do anything with your past or old memories or old people. But here I do see some likelihood of new positive people, good chances, good events coming up in your life, or maybe I can say just that they're just creeping in into your life. And you aren't so ready to accept newness, you aren't so ready to accept changes right now. But you may be guided and forced to do that, but not like a shock. It's going to happen maybe in bits and pieces. I'm also getting the card of the Hermit, and what more do I want to tell you? You have been soul seeking, you have been searching along the inner coast for so long. Yet somewhere you feel, your realization of yourself or your situation has got to do with where you are in life. It may be that, but it's not completely so. You have got to move forward and learn, you first learn from your past and then you move forward. But here, if you want to learn from the past and still want to rework that past, or you want to build your foundation on something old, maybe old principles, old morals, old thoughts and ideas, that's not going to work here, Taurians, because we are in the new world now, and you have got to look at things the way they are. You got to acknowledge the world for what it is, and even people for who they are. You got to, accepting is one good quality about your sign, but I somewhere feel that you tend to accept and never want to work towards believing or feeling that you can change the situation for better, or maybe you can expect something better for yourself, or that you even deserve better. And that's where you are stuck in your life right now. I also see some positive times ahead. Though your emotions are not finding completely settled grounds in the month of July, still, I see some happy reunions, maybe bonding with family, friends, relatives, or someone close to your heart, someone you did not think you're going to meet in a long time. Maybe talking to them over the phone, chatting, conversing with them, or some kind of interaction is very likely in the month of July for you. I'm also seeing tower moments. So there are quite a few major arcana cards here in your reading, Taurans, and I'm also feeling that you're going to have to review the past. And very strongly in the month of July, you may not have another moment to do this, and to learn from the situation and to be able to move on from here. And the Tower moment is precisely telling me that you're going to be okay should you want to make these much desired changes in your life, which are, it's like a high time that you must go ahead and do that. And there's a Four of Pentacles. So if you're worried about money or around money, or maybe your job, it's going to be okay. I don't see any major changes or problems arising there. But for most of you, situation is looking quite all right and settled there. In fact, if those around you are not feeling very secured, you'll see that you might hear about a surprise related to your job, or you might get to keep your job, or maybe get to even you might even get to know something good that comes from your work or a profession or a career area of life, and that's going to put a smile on your face. That's for your month of July. Let's see what's coming up. I'm being guided to pick up some cards from the Angels cards deck. And let's see what these archangels have to convey for your sign in the month of July. So, archangels, please tell me, my beautiful angels, what do you have to say for Taurans for the month of July 2020? I have gifts from God. And this card says, this is from Archangel Sandalphon. It says, we angels, you want to see? It's such a beautiful card. We angels bring you gifts from your creator. Open your arms to receive. This is something I have been talking about all along in your reading, Taurans. And if you pay attention, you will see that you are supposed to move forward. You're supposed to explore the new areas, or maybe those areas where you never thought can pay off, or that can look good for you. And they may be just the gifts from God that you are meant to accept at this moment. I'm so happy. Let me just pull out one more card. Wow, I have the card of Archangel Samuel. Can you see? These are such beautiful illustrations. So the card says, beloved one, I'm helping you with your spiritual soulmate relationship. And could this get any more specific, Taurans? If I going to use the word, maybe they have come here and spoken to you about it, and it's so in the face. So I'm helping you with your spiritual soulmate relationship. A lot of you who are struggling with a relationship, and please mind it, soulmate relationship is not just a husband and wife relationship. It can come to you in any form. Maybe siblings, maybe friends, maybe spouse, maybe parents, maybe a relative. So if you've been wanting to work on a relationship, or you want a relationship to work for you, You are going to be divinely guided here. On that note, just let me pick up one more beautiful card and see what that says. Wow. Can you see Archangel Metatron? So Archangel Metatron says prioritize. Focus on your highest priorities, Taurans. I will help you get organized and motivated. So now is not the time to stay confused or stay um, limited to the memories that you've had from some time in the past, and it's time that you move forward. And you have got to take your chances. We all have to, at some point in time. We cannot stay stuck to the same person, situation, or the area of life forever. That's not how we learn better about ourselves. It's only by exploring, by giving something a chance. At the most, we fail, but then we learn from that too. And isn't that the goal of reincarnating here on this plane? Isn't that the very goal of coming down here? So, what are you afraid of? So, Taurans, that's your message for the month of July. Please do hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon along with that, so you can receive regular updates from me. Do comment below and let me know how these energies are playing with you, because the month of July is going to be a very, very important month for your sign, and a lot of transformation is coming along, I see. So, Taurans, please comment and let me know how you're feeling about it, and to give it a thumbs up if this reading is resonating with you. Bye bye for now until we meet again.